हॅपी गणेश चतुर्थी. गणपती बाप्पा मोरया. मंगलमूर्ती मोरया.
मागतो मी आता, मागतो आता तुझ, मागतो मी आता, मागतो आता मज द्यावी एक दंता तुझ, मागतो मी आता, मागतो मी आता तुझ, मागतो मी आता. तुझे ठाई माझी भक्ती, तुझे ठाई माझी भक्ती, विरुठावी गणपती. तुझे ठाई ज्याची प्रीती, त्याची धरावी संगती, संगती त्याची धरावी संगती, संग. तुझा अपराधी मी खरा, तुझा अपराधी मी खरा, आहे ईशूच्या पदरा. माझी येऊ दे करुणा, तुझ लागी गजानना, गजानना तुझ लागी गजानना, गजानना मज द्यावे एक दंता तुझ लागी गजानना, गजानना तुझ, मागतो मी आता, मागतो आता मज द्यावे एक दंता तुझ, मागतो मी आता.
Today I am going to show you how to make crack wheat modak at home. Let's see what we need for dalia modak or crack wheat modak recipe. 2 cups milk, jaggery or gur 1 cup, 2 spoon dahi, dry fruits powder, coconut powder, cracked wheat or dalia, half cup of ghee. First of all, heat the pan on low flame. Add 1 cup of cracked wheat or dalia. Here I am taking 1 more cup of dalia. Now roast it nicely around 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee on it. Our dalia cracked wheat roasted nicely. Now we are shifting in another pot for cool down. Now add 1 glass of milk in a hot pan. Let it boil. Add roasted dalia or cracked wheat. Cook cracked wheat or dalia in boiled milk nicely. It will take around 15 minutes. On this stage, add 1 tablespoon of ghee in mixture. Add 2 spoons of dahi or yogurt. Add crushed jaggery or gur. Now fully cook the jaggery and dalia mixture nicely. Add little bit milk. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can see our dalia, our cracked wheat almost cooked. I am adding little bit more ghee in the mixture. For orange color, I am going to add organic food coloring. One teaspoon of cardamom powder, coconut powder, dry fruit powder, you can see Our mixture becoming little bit thick now. Add little bit vanilla or rose essence as per your choice. I am going to shift our dalia mixture in another pot for cool down. After half an hour, our dalia, our cracked wheat mixture is cooled down nicely, and now we can make our modak. Today I am using this modak mold for modak. You can see our Ganpati Bappa special orange color dalia modak is ready to eat now. Now I am adding little bit eatable silver leaf on the modak. It will look cool. I hope you will like my today's crack wheat modak recipe and Ganpati Utsav special vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with Sarita Cooks and Vlogs. Thank you friends. Bye.